Now is also the time to take care of your garden lawn by feeding it, by applying the Zero Lawn liquid to control the moss, but also to keep an eye out for leather jacket damage. Leather jackets are the larvae of the daddy longlegs. They're small half-inch grey worms that feed on the roots of your grass, creating bare yellow patches. The grass will physically die away. And if they're present, you need to use the organic-based nematodes. Nematodes kill leather jackets in lawn areas very quickly. They're safe for children and for pets and for wildlife, and will repair the damage in your lawn. The key thing is to use the nematodes to kill the leather jacket first. Here at Horkans, we've got a great selection of nematodes available at the moment. Remember, our garden centres in Sligo, Galway and Castlebar open 7 days, Monday to Saturday, 9:30 to 6 p.m, and every Sunday from 11 right through to 6 p.m. Catch you then.